So I'm getting ready to dye my hair. I'm wearing my little shirt that I'm looking so ratchet right now. I was gonna give my hair a rest during quarantine, but my roots just look awful and my hair just feels weird. Like it just needs to be dyed. So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Ultimate Black Forever New York. This is what I've been using and I absolutely love it. It leaves my hair looking so black. I love it. I really like that jet black look. So I'm gonna get ready to do that. And I'm gonna show you what hair products I am using lately. So for my shower products, I use these. This is by Beauty and Planet and it's the Clean Oceans edition. This one is the Marine Moisture and it's just very moisturizing. It smells so good. And yeah, it's made of recycled plastic and had the matching shampoo. I love these. They smell so nice and my hair always feels like really refreshed and not feeling like I have a bunch of chemicals in it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really like that they do a lot for the planet and they're doing the recycling. And they're also donating money for the oceans, which I love. Go-tos right now, I got them at Target. They're really affordable, so yeah, I definitely recommend those. Also good for color-treated hair. I always make sure that I have the color protectant in my shampoos and conditioners. So if you have color-treated hair, these are perfect for you. So for getting real, I do have a dry scalp, so I use this Selsun Blue to use this at least like once a week. Okay, this kind of has dust on it, so sorry, it's kind of gross. But this is the Activated Charcoal and Purple Moonstone Scalp Scrub. Not your mother's. Oh my god, that's so gross. But yeah, I like to use this in the shower. It's really nice and moisturizing for the scalp as well. Also, I'd say that my hair is like not damaged. It feels really nice. I've been dyeing it for several years. I dyed it brown, like a darker brown, and then I finally just went to black because I was so tired of it. I used Sun-In when I was younger and it was just the worst stuff ever. Never use that stuff if you have brown hair and you're trying to go blonde because it will turn your hair a pea yellow. It was disgusting and it wouldn't go away. So therefore I dyed my hair black. But Kylie Jenner was having like her black hair phase and I was just so into it, so she inspired me to do this and I've had it ever since. Haven't been bored of it. Have gone like a couple phases where I want to be blonde, but then we just ignore those. But yeah, that's my natural hair color. It's kind of like an ashy brown. I hate it, so don't look at it. Just got out of the shower. I'm not sure how, but I got hair dye on my lip. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Not Your Mother's Passion Fruit Kombucha and a Wafi Ginger and it's a heat protection up to 450. So I'm gonna spray that in my hair. And then I'm gonna brush through. My hair, like my head gets kind of stained, but it goes away. And then once I brush through it a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my Away Hair Care. This is the leave-in tonic, or this leave-in conditioner. This just makes my hair really soft. And then I'm just gonna brush through again. And then in the morning, I like to get my hair wet because I love the look of my natural hair. But when I go to bed, it gets all frizzy and poofy. So I usually like don't wash my hair every day. I do it like 3 times a week. But yeah, I like to get it wet anyways, just so I can get my natural waves. Leave it the way it is and then show you what I do in the morning when I get it wet and add more products to make it more wavy. This looks so ratchet. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna wet my hair down and apply this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. I sometimes use this, I sometimes don't, but I am today. Sometimes it just is wavy, but today I'm just gonna do it anyways, show you what I do. Okay, now I'm gonna brush through it. I'm gonna take my towel Ball it all up and scrunch. You can see it creates like a wave. Yeah, that's all I do for my hair. I did apply this that came with the hair coloring box. It's a shampoo or conditioner, and you leave it in and you leave it in for like 2 minutes, I think, and you apply it all over your head after you're done with your hair color, and it's supposed to help lock in the color, and you use this like once a week or something like that. And yeah, I use that, and it makes my hair so soft. I love that stuff. What else? Oh, this is what I use when my roots start to show. This is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up in black. It's kind of messy if you don't really know how to use it at first, but I got used to it, so I'm still messy with it. Don't mind. Be careful with that stuff because it can stain your hands. But yeah. Now I'm gonna take this Perfect Smooth Hair Oil. This is by Nature Lab, and I love this stuff for like defining my waves. It's really nice. And I'm almost out, which really sucks, but yeah, this stuff is perfect and also protects color treated hair, and it's a heat protectant, which is really nice as well. So this is my hair, all dry. Take a little bit of this. Just run it through my hair. Like this. This defines it really nicely. And yeah, that's pretty much all I do. So that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any more video suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Bye guys.